Have you ever caught yourself saying, "I can't afford that," or thinking there's just never enough? What if I told you that the real block isn't your bank account, it's your mindset? Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Wealth Mindset channel, where we uncover the secrets to rewiring your thinking for lasting success. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and join thousands of others shifting from scarcity to success. Stick around to the end. I'm going to share the single most powerful mindset switch that changed everything for me. Recognizing the scarcity mentality. This part introduces the idea of scarcity mindset. It sets the tone for the journey into the hidden fears that control our thinking. Scarcity mindset is the belief that there will never be enough, not enough money, opportunities, or success to go around. It creates anxiety and limits how we see possibilities in life. This mindset is rooted in fear of failing, losing what we have, or never being good enough. These fears are like chains that quietly limit our lives. Jason represents the average American, always working, budgeting, saving, yet never feeling fully secure. He's on a treadmill, moving but going nowhere. Scarcity often starts in childhood from trauma, environment, or what we were told about money and worth. These early seeds grow into adult beliefs. You can hear scarcity in the way we speak: "Can't afford it," "I'm not good enough," or "That's just how life is." Recognizing these thoughts is the beginning of change. The stories you tell yourself create your reality. These inner narratives shape how you see the world and what you believe is possible. Tasha's story was, "I'll never get ahead." That belief became her cage, keeping her from exploring new paths. You must identify those old scripts playing in your mind. Recognizing limiting beliefs is the first step to rewriting them. Use journaling to question where those beliefs came from. Writing helps you uncover the roots of your thoughts and understand their impact. Replace thoughts of limitation with ones of possibility. You have the power to rewrite the narrative and create a new reality. Daily affirmations and conscious reframing help you rewire your mind. Small, consistent changes reprogram your inner world. Gratitude is the gateway. Abundance begins not in what you gain, but in what you notice you already have. The path to more starts with appreciating the now. Mark's story. When Mark began practicing gratitude daily, new doors opened effortlessly. It was as if the world shifted to support his dreams. Gratitude reshapes your brain. It tunes your focus toward the positive and what's possible. Over time, this rewiring helps you notice and receive more. Start and end your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This simple ritual can shift your entire energy. Practicing gratitude even in tough times builds resilience. It reminds you of your inner strength when the world feels heavy. Gratitude attracts abundance by aligning your energy with joy, trust, and growth. When you feel abundant, you draw abundance in. Abundance is not a zero-sum game. Picture a vast, colorful mountain range at sunrise, with Emma and Angela standing on a high cliff, gazing at the world. If they win, I lose. Abundance says, we can all win. Picture a rope bridge over a canyon, one side full of isolated figures competing, the other filled with. Angela's turning point came when she started lifting others. As she supported their growth, her own path widened like a trail that expands into a grand road. Comparison breeds stress, but collaboration sparks creativity. Imagine Emma and Angela building a rope bridge together to connect 2 cliffside communities working as. Celebrate others' wins. They are proof that success is possible. Emma cheers as others reach milestones, lighting torches along the trail, illuminating the way for all. Abundance trusts that opportunities grow when shared. Angela and Emma host a celebration where everyone brings their skills and gifts, turning the clearing into a thriving. Turning setbacks into setups. This part is all about seeing failure as a stepping stone, not a dead end. Failure isn't final, it's a redirection. Just like when your path gets blocked in the jungle, sometimes you find a better route. Carlos saw his failures as proof he was trying. Each attempt taught him something new, like treasure maps leading to hidden truths. Shift your thinking. Failure means learning. Every obstacle is like solving a puzzle that unlocks the next level. Stop aiming for perfection. Start valuing progress. It's not about flawless action, but consistent movement forward. With an abundant mindset, failure becomes part of the story, not the end. Every hero's journey has stumbles that shape their legend. This is where the adventure begins. We invite the audience to step into a world of possibility, where dreams grow bigger and bolder. Scarcity mindset is like a fog that clouds your vision. It shrinks your possibilities and blocks your dreams. Abundance, on the other hand, clears the path and makes room for. Lauren began to visualize her dream job as a real experience. Every detail in her mind added fuel to her belief, and soon, opportunity came knocking. What if, instead of asking what if it fails, we asked what if it does work out? A small mindset shift, a big impact. Surrounding yourself with believers in your journey is powerful. Their energy becomes the wind beneath your wings when your own hope runs low. Dreaming big isn't just imagination, it's a bold act of courage. You're claiming a future filled with abundance. The final step is about turning your mindset into real-life results. Without action, even the best mindset remains just a dream. Jason opened a side hustle. He started small, but his consistent effort created big results over time. Tasha began therapy. She took the courageous step to face her inner mountains and heal. Mark started networking. He reached out, made connections, and grew beyond what he thought was possible. Abundance shows up when you show up. Keep taking steps, even when you can't see the whole path. Is this thought or action coming from fear or faith? Choose the path that aligns with your values and future vision. Today, we unpacked the power of shifting from scarcity to abundance. It starts with awareness, becoming conscious of those limiting beliefs. Then we move with intention. If this message resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who needs this mindset shift today. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's one area in your life where you're ready to move from lack to abundance? I'll be down there. This is Emma from Wealth Mindset, reminding you of the power of a wealthy mindset. Your mindset is the foundation of your success. Let's build something abundant.